everybody you ask will say, yes, of course, you have to remain flexible and agile in today's fast-changing world. Companies, when it's a major change around us, deregulation or disruption, we jump up. We say, oh, we notice it and we react. When the environment around us changes slowly, we just sit there and we slowly boil ourselves to death. 80% of companies change not when they want to, but when they have to. They all wait for the crisis to do it.
Passion greater than fear equals courage. Courage. I think courage is so important because it takes tremendous courage to transform business processes. It takes tremendous courage to say, this is broken, it does not work. It takes tremendous courage to say, customers don't like the way we do business.
So this was the actual application that we did, and it started out as all processes do in big companies, is a series of spreadsheets. And we have things like a corporate master spreadsheet, and then we have a copy of the corporate master spreadsheet, and then we have Lou's copy of the corporate master spreadsheet. So it took us 3 months to do what I think a couple of business people could have done with the right tools, with the right training, in a couple of days.
Technologies are becoming more and more sophisticated. And for those of you who have worked with the Cordys platform, you know how sophisticated this technology is. This is not for the faint of heart. We are really at the bleeding edge. We are at the cusp of a new generation of technology. And that's true in every industry that we see.
If you build a strong foundation, have strong processes in place, and start to build a scalability model around, then you can build systems after systems much faster. We have been winning the CIO 100 award, which is one of the prestigious awards in India, for last 3 years in succession. And that's the power of Cordys, which has helped us to transform this entire thing for us.
A program we did with Embraer down in Brazil, where Embraer's problem was they had a huge ERP estate, 2,400 ABAP changes in it, could not migrate to 6.0, and wanted to move more and more of their activities out into the cloud. And I'm very pleased to announce we just went live last week with this system. We worked with Jan and his team over a period of time to do that, and they are thrilled by what they have now. They haven't thrown away SAP. They still use SAP for their core applications there, but we now have Cordys at the front end doing all the Kaizen process improvements and the customer relationship management in a very, very powerful way.
We have a business model in the UK that's developing that's very similar to our Australian business model. So they can now start to share processes. They can now start to share their knowledge in ways they couldn't before.
So by virtue of the flexibility of BOP, 80% of the man hours are gone. It was supposed to be ready at the end of next year, and we're already piloting the thing. And everything you've heard this morning is true. It works. The time to market of the entire platform has been reduced from a very uncertain 2 years to 6 months. And the time to market of the solutions, the team initially thought there would, every time there would be a new requirement, it would be 2-3 months, and now it's going to be 2-3 weeks.